to use this word along with other words. Hal. The next one is min, aina. Min, from, aina, where. Ma, ismul ishara. Then you have some asma'ul ishara. First is istifham, questioning words. Second thing you are learning here is asma'ul ishara. Ishara means indication. In Urdu we say ishara. Kisi cheez ki taraf ishara. When you point out something, that is called ishara. So what are the things, what are the words in Arabic language to point out? So basic two words are hada and hadihi. This and this. Hada is for male and hadihi is for female. So this is the main outcome of Al-Wahdatul Ula, first unit. And some new vocabulary you are learning. And the vocabulary is related to Al-Mihan, professions, Buldan, cities, Jinsiyat, nationalities, and some numbers from 1 to 5. So before you start any unit, you have to come to this Fahris and study and understand what you're going to learn in particular unit. Now it's a clear picture for you. Let's go to unit number 1. Bismillah. Al-Wahdatul Ula. What is the topic? موضوع هذه الوحدة. موضوع means topic. التحية والتعارف. Yeah. Greetings and knowing each other. التعارف. So now you tell me. Till where you have learned with Ustad Talha. 1 second. Bismillah.
Till the third conversation. Till the third conversation.
Okay, so third conversation. Let's go. Bismillah. Al-Hiwar al-Awwal. Al-Hiwar al-Thalith. This is Al-Hiwar al-Thalith. Did you complete this?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fine. After that, inshallah, these are the vocabularies. Subhanallah. Let me remove everything from here. How can I remove this? Let's say if I
We
drop
haven't
it
done
in
the
here.
vocabularies.
Okay, fine. Got it. Yes. Okay. This is Al-Hiwar al-Thalith, third conversation. Al-Hiwar has two meanings. One is conversation. The other meaning is a dialogue. Both the meaning are there in Hiwar. Okay. Al-Mufradat. Did you complete Mufradat?
No.
Okay, fine.
No.
Al-Mufradat
No.
means vocabulary. Any new word is called Mufradat in Arabic. Mufradat. So the first one is we have Mudarris. What is the meaning of Mudarris? There are two ways to answer. One is you can write in the chat or you can speak. No problem. So I give full freedom. Mudarris. ما معنى
Teacher.
teacher. طالبا.
Student.
Okay.
Student.
You have
Female
to be
student.
specific. Yeah, that is the
Female
perfect
student.
answer. Female student. طبيبة.
Doctor.
Female
Female
doctor.
doctor.
Female doctor. مهندس.
Engineer.
Engineer.
Male.
أخ.
Brother.
Brother.
أخت.
Sister.
Sister.
Okay. صديق.
Friend.
صديقة.
Female.
Female.
And so
هذا.
female friend.
Has a
This.
This.
He.
هذا is
This
this.
for
This.
men.
For man.
Okay.
Hada means
And
he.
he. هذا means this
This.
for male.
Who.
And هذه is also same meaning this, but this is for female.
Female.
هو.
He.
He.
Huwa is
For
he
male.
and here is she.
She.
That's it.
She.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. So these are the mufradats. Once you learn mufradat, you have some quick activities. 1 second. I have a book where all the answers are marked. So I will just go for unmarked book. Wait a second. Where can I find that? As of now, I will just save it like this. All right. Oh, looks like same one. Anyways, I'm unable to remove, delete this. Oh, there's an option. Okay. So now you have a quick activity. So since you have learned the basic vocabulary, you have an activity to match the following, right? So let me check if there is a annotation option. I will on it. You can mark the correct answer by yourself. Breakout rooms. That's not there. Maybe they need to activate that. Okay, no problem. So this one is which? Is it Taliba or Mudarris?
مدرس.
مدرس.
The next one is Taliba. And what is this one? Is Sadiq or Sadiqah?
صديقة.
صديقة.
Sadiqah. Okay. Sadiqah, the female. Okay, and this one is Muhandis or Tabiba?
طبيبة.
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 And what is this one? Hadihi or Hada?
هذا.
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 Very good. Hada. Alhamdulillah.
هذا.
This is a English section, sir. This is Urdu. What about Urdu?
Okay, we have been instructed to teach in English as a primary language, but we can use Urdu in between. Urdu में जरूरत के तहत इस्तेमाल करने के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया गया.
लेकिन वो जो PDF भी जाए वो सारा वो अरबी है सर, वो उर्दू नहीं है उसमें कुछ भी.
Yes, Urdu. The book is in Arabic language.
Okay.
But we will teach you the book in English, and if needed, sometime
Urdu.
we will explain in Urdu.
Okay. Thank you.
And this is going to be for first semester. From level 2, from next semester, gradually we will move to Arabic version, inshallah. So you will reach to a level where you can learn this course entirely in Arabic, inshallah, in coming days. Okay. So that was the first exercise. There is a word called at-tadrib.
تدريبات على
Yes, tadrib means practice, exercise. Tadrib means practice and exercise. So we have التدريب الأول استمع ثم ضع علامة صحيح في المربع المناسب. You have to listen. So this book is all about 4 different modules. There's a listening, there's a reading, writing, and speaking. So till now, what you did is you read it and you listen. So I'm going to play an audio. Wait a second. I have to open the website. I will open the website. المستوى الأول. I will show you the process. So inshallah, when you are at home, you yourself can practice, inshallah. This is a website. First go to the Google. This is the website. Arabic for all. Once you open the website, this is the page. Go to Silsilatul Arabiyyah Bayna Yadayk, first option. Click it. Now you are in Al-Mustawa Al-Awwal, first level. So click on the first level. You have to select Al-Wahdatul Ula, first Wahda. Once you select the Wahda, you have to come to your book and you have to look at the lesson number. Here is the lesson number. الدرس الرابع. Right? الدرس الرابع التدريب الأول. So you have to, once you select Al-Wahda, you have to select the dars number. الدرس الرابع. الدرس الرابع. After, once you select الدرس الرابع, you have 3 different listening. التدريب الأول, التدريب الثاني. So I'm going to open التدريب الأول. I'm going to play. You have to listen carefully. And what is the instruction? استمع. Listen. ثم, then, ضع علامة صحيح. Put the indication of right. في المربع المناسب. In the munasib, in the suitable, appropriate مربع, square. This is a square. So we have 6 options, right? Option number 1. Question number 1 has 2 options. 1, 2. So as you listen, you have to carefully look at the picture. I will zoom it. This is enough. Or little more zoom. Yeah, this is enough. So we have 6 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Listen the 6 questions, then select the right one. Either this one will be right or this one will be. Ready? Chal inshallah. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to play now.
So we can't hear it.
Sir, we can't hear.
So you're muted.
Subhanallah. Okay. I will play it again.
الوحدة الأولى التحية والتعارف. الدرس الرابع التدريب الأول. استمع ثم ضع علامة صحيح في المربع المناسب. 1. هذا.
First, male.
Don't say, just
اثنان.
write it.
أخت.
3. مدرس. 4. مصر. 5.
طبيبة.
6.
أنت.
Class, all the 6 are over. So now it's your time to answer. Can you send your answer in WhatsApp chat? Wait a second. Do we have a homework group? One group is for only announcements. One group is on, we can't hear the audio. 25. Oh, that was, mashallah. We got answer 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay, I will do one thing. Quickly, I will do one thing now. I will just create a group for homework, classwork. Whatever the classwork you do, you can share it, inshallah. And So what group you are in? What's the group name? Please off your mic.
सर इकरा एकेडमी
Academy. 1 second. Academy 1. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay. Already you answered. Okay. So today is the first class because this group is for the announcement. So I don't want to mess up this group. Okay. Today what you can do is you can write the answers and share the correct answer in the group. This was a Tadrib al-Awwal. Now look at the Tadrib al-Thani, second Tadrib.
सर एक बार
अच्छा।
उर्दू में बोलिए सर वो
हाँ।
क्या लिखने का है हमको बुक उसमें
हाँ, इसमें लिखना पहले आप सुनने के बाद जो सही आंसर है
जी
उसको मार्क करना है, मार्क करके उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आप भेजें ग्रुप में व्हाट्सएप पे।
ठीक
ओके फाइन।
सर आप ग्रुप अभी क्रिएट करोगे या हमने करना है किसी को एक
एक
होमवर्क ग्रुप?
सेकंड, मैं होमवर्क ग्रुप में जो कर दूंगा क्योंकि इसमें ये अनाउंसमेंट के लिए ग्रुप रखते हैं इसको। होमवर्क का सेपरेट ग्रुप मैं अभी 2 सेकंड में बना के आपको दे रहा हूँ। हमारे शेख को ऐड कर देता हूँ। ग्रुप का नाम रहेगा वाजिबात। वाजिबात मीन्स होमवर्क।
सही ये फर्स्ट राइट सेकंड लेफ्ट थर्ड लेफ्ट ये क्या है सर आंसर ये कैसा मतलब थोड़ा एक बार एक्सप्लेन करिए।
एक सेकंड, मैं ग्रुप का जो लिंक है आई एम शेयरिंग द लिंक इन द ग्रुप इंशाल्लाह, in the main group. Okay. And the same link, can someone please share this link in Zoom chat?
ओके
Okay. So we have a WhatsApp group link in the Zoom chat also. You can join the group inshallah. Okay. All the homework will be sent in this group. Barakallahu feekum.
ठीक सर एक बार
चलिए ओके।
एक्सप्लेन करिए सही है सर वो
इसमें सुनने के बाद आपको लिखना था कि हादिही कहेंगे तो कौन सा है? दिस वाज हादिही। उख्त, ये उख्त है। मुदर्रिस, ये मुदर्रिस है, राइट। सूर्या मीन्स ये सूर्या है। तबीबा मीन्स ये तबीबा है। हादा मीन्स ये है उख्त, यानी जो भी है। और हादा
सर हाजा है तभी ये थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करिए सर ये अभी
ये वाला। इसमें क्या है बेसिकली, अभी आपने जो वोकैबुलरी सीखी है, मुफरदात,
जी
मुदर्रिस है, तालिबा, ये उसका टेस्ट किया जा रहा है कि आपने कितना सीखा है।
जी
उसको फोटो है, फोटो से नाम को मैच करना है।
सही है
ठीक है ना?
मगर हाँ सही है सर
हाँ,
तालिबा है हाँ ठीक है
तो
सर
इस तरीके से एक तो आपके सामने है। दूसरा जो है लिसनिंग है। लिसनिंग
जी
में ऑडियो प्ले किया गया, उसमें कहा गया कि वाहिद मतलब ये वाहिद, इस्नैन मतलब ये इस्नैन। इस्नैन बोलकर वो कहेंगे उख, तो यहाँ पर 2 लोग हैं, एक है अख, एक है उख।
अच्छा
तो उख्त कहेंगे तो उख्त पे जो है आपको राइट मानना है।
नहीं सर
समझ
ये
गए?
क्या है मतलब वाहिद आप जो फर्स्ट वाला टिक करे उसमें तीनों है ना सर वो उसमें
तो तीनों है लेकिन पूरे मेल है फीमेल है।
अच्छा मेल है हाँ ओके ओके
तो
सही है
आप 10 लोग भी
हाँ
रहे, मेल फीमेल आप चेक करें आप।
सही है
हाँ ठीक है ना?
सही है सर
चलिए
सर
ओके, चलिए
जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।
बारक अल्लाह। So this was the first exercise, تدريب الأول. And أشر إلى الصورة التي تسمعها. Okay, fine. Now inshallah we'll move to المفردات إضافية. What is مفردات إضافية? مفردات, you know what is مفردات? Just now you learn. What is the meaning of مفردات?
vocabulary.
Vocabulary, new words.
Vocabulary.
مفردات means
words.
vocabulary. And the second one is إضافية. إضافة means when you
Extra.
add something extra. So some extra mufradat which are not in al-hiwarat. You learn 3 hiwar. Al-hiwar al-awwal, first a dialogue, second one, third one, right? So here you have to add extra mufradat. So what are the extra one? Numbers. Wahid means 1. Ithnan means 2. Thalatha, 3. Arba'ah, 4. Khamsa, 5. So these are the numbers in Arabic. So in different unit you will learn more numbers inshallah. Wahid, Ithnain, Thalatha, Arba'ah, Khamsa. I hope you understand this one. Now we have some tadribat related to this topic. Okay, Bismillah. One second, what happened here? I don't know what happened. Why it's not? I'm unable to delete this one. Okay, no problem. Sil bayna al-adadi wa surat al-munasiba. Sil means match. When you match between two things, that is called sil. That is why in Islamic Sharia there is a terminology that is called sila rahmi, silatul rahim, tying your kinship. So that is called sila. Sil means match between adad. Al-adad means numbers. All the numbers is called in Arabic adad. Was-sura and the picture. Al-munasiba is a suitable one, appropriate picture. So sil bayna al-adadi, match between, bayna means between, match between adad, number, was-sura and the picture, munasiba and the munasib picture. So you have adad, wahid, ithnain, thalatha, arba'a, khamsa. These are the adad. And these are the pictures, right? A surah. Okay. Now I will take one picture, then you have to say the number. Ready? Wahid, ithnain, salat. Let's start. Okay. This one.
3.
You can
ثلاثة.
don't. Thalatha. Yes. That's what you have to say. Thalatha. That is thalatha. And this one?
اثنان.
اثنين.
Sani.
Okay. No. Okay. What is the difference between Sani and Isnain? Sani means second. This is
Okay.
tartib, order, first, second, third. But Wahid, Isnan or Isnain both are same. Isnan means 1, 2. So this is Isnain, not Sani. And what is this one?
واحد.
واحد.
Wahid. Plus, this is only one is, last one is Khamis.
خمسة.
Okay. Khamsa. Now you have Rattib al-A'dad. Rattib means arrange.
Arrange.
Arrange the numbers. Wahid, what comes second, third, fourth, fifth. So take this one as a homework. You have the notebook. How many of you have the book? Please raise the hand. Raise the hand here. Okay. MashaAllah. Very good. So first thing, you need to have a book, because in the class, if you'll just learn from the screen and go and come next class in next week and learn the same thing, that's not going to work. If you want to learn Arabic language perfectly, you must have your study material. If you can buy the book, buy it. If it is not available in your locality, you can take the photocopy of this book. Xerox. Is that okay? Chaliye. Barakallahu feekum. So inshallah, before coming class, you all must have the photocopy. Okay, this exercise, at-tadrib al-thani, second tadrib, rattib al-a'dad, arrange the numbers. You have to do it as a homework, right? At-tadrib al-thalith, ashir ila al-adad alladhi tasma'uhu. Ashir means point out. Ila al-adad, to the number, alladhi, which, tasma'uhu, which you listen. So how you are going to point out online? If I say khamsa, you have your book with you, just point out. Ready? واحد اثنان ثلاثة. Let's start. أربعة. Point out to أربعة. Okay, this was أربعة. Now you have to check whether you point out correctly or not. ثلاثة. ثلاثة. This is
Third.
ثلاثة. No, don't say third. Three. Third and three, there is a difference. Okay, next one is واحد. This was واحد. This
First
was what? This was واحد. خلاص. Alhamdulillah. Last question is اثنان.
Two.
اثنان. Okay. No, you don't have to say. What is written here? Ashir. What is the meaning of ashir? Point out. So you have a book in front of you. Just point out. If you don't have, just touch the number on the screen. That's it. Now here, قل. In تدريب الرابع, you have to say. قل means say. بولو. قل العدد. Say the number. المشار إليه. مشار إليه means to the number which has been pointed out. So I am saying the number. I will just point out. You have to say the number. Ready? واحد اثنين ثلاث. This one.
خمسة.
خامس.
خمسة is the correct answer, not خامس. I just say the difference. خامس means fifth. خمسة means five. So this is
Sir,
1, 2,
how
3,
we
4.
come to know the difference? Asani, Salas.
Easy. Just learn it. واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة.
Okay.
These are the عدد. الأول والثاني والثالث والرابع والخامس. These are the ترتيب, not عدد. Okay, next one. This one, what is this?
أربعة.
MashaAllah, أربعة. And this one.
ثلاثة.
Oh,
ثلاثة.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. This one.
اثنان.
اثنان or اثنين. Both are correct.
اثنين.
واحد.
واحد.
واحد. Chale, MashaAllah. So, you know what are the first 5 عدد in Arabic, MashaAllah. Oh, Subhanallah. Now you have تدريبات. تراكيب النحوية. You know what is nahu in Arabic? Noon, ha, wow, nahu. Nahu means Arabic grammar. You know, Arabic language was without harakat, without fatha, dhamma, kasra. It was always there. But Arabs, they don't write it. They know nahu. If anyone know nahu, he can read Arabic language without harakat, without zabar zer pesh. That is called nahu. So nahu, you have to learn what is nahu. And you have to learn the rules and regulation, qawaid, the grammar. The rules of nahu, if you learn, you will be expert in Arabic language. So inshallah, in every unit we study in this book, we have a lesson of nahu. Nahu talks about fatha, dhamma, kasra. That is important. And nahu is as important in Arabic language as salt is important in the food. Is the food tasty without salt? No. Same way, your Arabic language will not be tasty if you don't know nahu. Is that okay? Just give me a
Sir, you're muted.
Ustad, you are on mute.
Sir, you're on mute.
He said to wait.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Shukran. So now you understand how important the Nahu is. So let's start from lesson number 1. Nahu. التدريب الأول. تبادل السؤال والجواب مع زميلك كما في المثالين. تبادل. What is تبادل? تبادل means exchange. When you exchange two things, that is called تبادل. So what do you have to exchange? السؤال والجواب, question and answer. With whom you have to exchange? مع زميلك, with your classmate. Now you all are online. You all are in different locations. So you can't do it. If this class would have been in one classroom, it would have been very easy. So what you do? You have to make one Arabic friend in your home with your, your father, your mother, your sister, brother, husband, wife, anyone. Make your Arabic partner. Talk to them. Learn with them. If you don't have anyone, stand in front of the mirror and speak to yourself. So that's how you have to practice. Kama fil mithalain. Kama means as it is given in two examples. Mithal means one example. If you add yanun, which means two examples. So we have first mithal, al-mithalul awwal. Then al-mithalul thani. Al-mithalul awwal, there is a question. Hal anta Pakistani? Are you a Pakistani? In Arabic language, there is no P. All the P sound will convert into Ba in Arabic. Always remember. Paris. How do you say? Paris. Every P will turn into Ba in Arabic. Because there is no Pa in Arabic. Only Ba. So the question is, Hal anta Pakistani? Hal, what is Hal? Hal is a harful istifham, which means a questioning word. If you want to ask the question, you have to use Hal. Are you a Pakistani? The answer is Naam. Ana Pakistani. Yes, I am. Anta means you. Ana means I. Naam. Yes, I am Pakistani. Hal anta. Al-misal thani. Second misal. This is for female. Hal anti. Anta. Ta fatha ta is for muzakkar. Muzakkar means male. When you talk to a male, use anta, ta fatha. But anti is for female. Hal anti Pakistaniyatun. The ta, this round ta, this is called at-ta'ul marbuta. This is the alamatut tanis. This is the sign of a muannas. Female in Arabic. Any word you get in Arabic language, if you see there is a round ta marbuta, which means this word is a muannas. This word is a female. Here also we have an-nahwiyya. This is also female. When you say male and female, normally people think only a man and woman, a boy and a girl. It's not like that. Every language has all the words. Some words are male, some words are female. Right? When you speak Urdu, you say ka ki, right? You use ka for male and ka ki for female. For example, if you have a pen, how do you say this pen is good? ये पेन अच्छा है बोलेंगे. Do you say ये पेन बहुत अच्छी है बोलेंगे? ये ग्लास, ये बस बहुत अच्छी है बोलेंगे, बहुत अच्छा है बोलेंगे. So the one who knows the good language, he knows what is male and what is female. So same way in Arabic language, you have to understand what is male and female. So hal anti, ta kasra ti is for female. And ta marbuta is a sign of female. Naam, ana Pakistaniyatun. This was a one mithal example. Now we have some questions. Turkey, Turkiya, Misri, Misriya, Suri, Suria. These are the three different countries' names. Turkey is a Turkish. But is it for male or for female?
Male.
This is for male. And this ta shows this is a female.
female.
Very good. Okay, very good. Let's start. Bismillah. Hal anta. There's only country name, right? Hal anta. The question is, are you? Hal anta Turki. Hal means are you? Are means hal. Anta ta fathata means you. Turkey. So what is the answer? Yes. How do you say yes in Arabic?
Na'am.
Na'am. Na'am. नाम नहीं बोलना. Na'am. अरबी में बात करेंगे तो अरबों की तरह बात करना. When you speak Arabic, speak like Arabs. Ain. Na'am. Ana. I am. What is the word for I am? Ana. Ana. Ana means I am. Na'am. Yes. Ana Turki. I am Turki. Turki means I am Turkish. If you say I am Indian, how do you say? Ana Hindi. Oh, ho, ho. You are pro Hindi. Okay. Next is Turkiya. Hal anta or anti? Which one is correct?
Anti.
Very good. Hal anti, are you Turkiya? Turkiya. So the answer is yes, I am Turkiya. How do you say that?
Naam ana Turkiya.
Naam ana Turkiya. Right? Same way Misri, Egypt. Misr is Egypt. Egyptian is called Misri. Okay. Okay, now you ask the question. I will answer. Ask the question. Naam ana Misriyun. Okay, now ask the question. Here, Misriya.
هل أنت مصرية؟
نعم أنا مصرية. سوري.
هل أنت سوري؟
Anta.
Complete the question.
Hal anta
هل
Suri.
أنت سوري؟
نعم أنا سوري. نعم أنا سوري. Ask this one.
هل أنت
أنت
سورية؟
Some
Suriya.
students say Hal Anta Suriya. You are wrong.
Suriya.
أنت سورية.
No.
Anti.
Is that anti? Yes. Anti because muannas. Ta marbuta. If this picture is not there, you have to understand whether this is male or female. So Hal Anti. Ask the question again.
هل أنت
Is that the question?
Again.
سورية؟
Ask the complete question. Hal Anti Suriya. Naam ana Suriya. Yes. Very good. So this is the first step of Nahu. After that, we have a Nahu. What is Nahu? Just now I explained, right? Nahu is like a
Grammar.
salt in the food. It's a grammar. It's a science behind harakat, behind i'rab. If you know Nahu, you can read Arabic without i'rab, without harakat. Let's read at-tadrib, study at-tadrib al-thani. At-tadrib al-thani, second tadrib. Hati jumalan kama fil misal. Hati. What is the meaning of hati? Bring. It's not elephant. Hati means bring. Lekar out, bring. What do you have to bring? Jumalan. Jumal is a plural of jumlatun, which means a sentence. Hati jumalan, bring sentences. It's a plural. Kama fil misal, as it is given in the misal. What is misal?
Example.
Example. Example. So first of all, look at the misal. Al-misal. What is misal? هذا أخي هو مدرس. هذا is used for مذكر or مؤنث?
Muzakkar.
مذكر. This is okay. What is the meaning of أخٌ?
Brother.
Brother. So brother is مذكر. That is why it is هذا. If it is sister, أختٌ, it would have been هذه. So there should be a similarity. If you are speaking to akh, hada, if it is ukht, hadihi, hada akhi. Akh means brother. What about ya? Why there is a ya attached?
My
Ya
brother.
means
My
my. Very good. This is called ya'un nisba. If you want to say that something is yours, then you have to use ya. Akhi, my brother. How do you say my pen?
قلمي
Qalami,
Hada
my pen.
qalami.
Okay, no, just
Qalami.
qalami, my pen, right? This is my pen means hada qalami. Okay. Huwa mudarris. What is the meaning of huwa?
He.
What is the meaning of huwa?
He.
He.
Okay, he. Mudarrisun. A teacher.
Teacher.
Is a male teacher, right? That is why it is huwa. If it was female, then hiya mudarrisatun. Is that clear? Okay, let's start. We have 6 questions. You have to answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wahid, Ithnan, Thalath. There is a akh, there is a mudarris. So this example is already over. The first example. Now look at the second example. This is muannas example, female. Ukht and mudarrisa. Say, this is my sister. How do you say?
هذه أختي.
هذه
هي
أختي.
مدرسة.
مدرسة.
Very good. هذه أختي هي مدرسة. That's for خلاص over. You have another one, صديق and طبيب. You know the meaning of صديق and طبيب?
Friend. Yes.
هذا
Friend
صديق
and doctor.
وطبيب.
Okay. هذا صديق.
طبيب.
صديقي.
هذا صديقي. This is my friend. Okay. He is a doctor.
هو طبيب.
هو طبيب. Very good. Next. Same but female version. صديقة طبيبة.
هذه صديقتي.
هذه
هي
صديقة
طبيبة.
هي طبيبة.
طبيبة.
هذه صديقة.
صديقتي.
هو
هذه
طبيبة.
صديقة.
Right?
Yes.
هو طبيبة.
هي.
Is that?
هي
هي
طبيبة.
Very good. Because طبيبة is muannas. So the pronoun ضمير should be accordingly. هي طبيبة. أخ مهندس.
هذا أخي.
هذا
هذا
أخي.
أخي
هو مهندس.
هو مهندس.
Very good. Very good. MashaAllah. Okay, what I will do, MashaAllah. Okay, everyone is answering. I'm happy. But inshallah, I will give chance. Now, whoever wants to answer, raise the hand. Okay, no collective answers. No collective answer. Raise the hand. Okay, all the mashallah boys are girls are saying. So I will give chance to a boy. Raise the hand. Suhair Mushtaq. Okay, make the question and answer from this. Ukht and Muhandisa.
أختي مهندسة.
Okay, no, why Ukhti? Start from this is my sister. Come on.
هي أختي.
هي
هذه
أختي.
هذه أختي.
هذه أختي. She is an engineer.
هي مهندسة.
هي مهندسة. Very.
هي مهندسة.
Yes, مهندس. One second.
هذه أختي هي مهندسة.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
उन्होंने म्यूट पे किया शायद कॉल आया.
Okay, fine. तो ये था this was التدريب الثاني. هاتي جملا كما في المثال. بسم الله. So now you have التدريب الثالث. Third تدريب. تبادل السؤال والجواب مع زميلك كما في المثال. Okay, what's the time? Wait a second. How's the class? Do you understand everything? It's easy?
Yes, very good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, fine. So Riyadh is 5:28. Okay, wait a second. Let me just check at what time the class ends, because some people has to go for prayer. Okay, we can start at Tadrib al-Thalith, Tadrib number 3. تبادل السؤال والجواب مع الزميل كما في المثال. What is the meaning of تبادل?
Exchange.
Exchange. السؤال والجواب مع what is the meaning of زميلك?
Your friend.
زميل.
Classmates.
Okay. The word زميل, za, mim, ya, lam, زميل. Zamil means your mate, whether it is classmate. Two people work in the same professions, they are Zamil. Two friends work in the same company, they are Zamil. Two persons work in the same office, they are Zamil. So Sadiq is a common friend. But Zamil is a friend of same profession.
Colleague.
So your colleague. Yeah. Here in the class, your classmates are your Zamil. Zamil is a singular. The plural of Zamil is a Zumala. Zumala. Ayyuha Zumala. Oh my Zumala. Means oh my friends. Yeah. Ma'a Zamilik. So you understand the difference between Zamil and Sadiq. كما في المثال. المثال. من
Sadiq
أين
को क्या है
أنت?
sir?
What
Sadiq
is the meaning of comma and p?
So can
What is
you
the meaning?
repeat
What
about
what is the meaning and comma and p?
Okay,
Sheikh,
one second.
uh,
Before
repeat.
that, there was a question. What's the question, sister? उर्दू में कोई पूछ रहे थे?
हाँ सर, जमील बोले एक और कुछ बोले ना आप?
सदीक. सदीकुन.
सदीकुल क्या है सर?
सदीक एक कॉमन दोस्त, कोई भी आपका जो दोस्त होता है उसको सदीक कहते हैं.
सही.
Okay, kama means as it is given in. Fi means in. Kama means as it is given. Fil misal, in the example. So هذا هو المثال. من أين أنت? There are three words. This is a harful istifham. What is the meaning of istifham? Let's see who remember.
question for the question?
Very good. Questioning words. You need some words to ask questions. So min aina. Aina is from there. From istifham. Aina means where. Min aina. From where you are. Which means where are you from? Where are you from? Min aina anta. Ana min Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. So there are only two words and a country name, right? Anta, Pakistan. So using these two words, you make this question and answer. Min aina anta. Where are you from? And I'm next. So you have three countries: Turkey, Syria, Misr, Pakistan. Let's start from here. Turkey, anti. This is anti, okay? Because this is a female, Monas. How do you ask the question? Where are you from?
من أين أنت?
من أين أنت?
أنت.
أنا من?
أنا من تركيا.
This is a country name, Turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey is Turkish. Turkey
Okay.
is a country name, and the Turkey is the person who belongs to that country. Okay.
So I am from Turkey. Okay.
Turkey. Yeah.
Turkey.
In Arabic language, countries' names is little different. China. How do you say China in Arabic? Suin. Right? So some countries in Arabic pronounce differently. Okay. Switzerland. How do you say Switzerland in Arabic? Suisara. So in Arabic, some countries' names are different. Okay. Hua and Surya. Ask. Min.
من أين أنت؟
من أين
Why anta?
إن
من أين
من
هو؟
أين هو؟
Huwa.
Huwa
Yeah.
Huwa min Surya.
Min aina huwa? Where is he
Yeah.
from?
Yes.
Where is he from? So
Huwa
huwa min
min Surya. Surya.
huwa min Surya. Very good. Next is hiya and Misr.
Min aina hiya.
Min ayna.
Min aina hiya.
Okay, hiya min Misr.
Where
Ahsantum.
is she
Misr.
from?
Where is she from? She is from Misr. And anti Pakistan.
Min aina anti.
Min ayna anti.
Aina anti.
What is the answer? Jawab.
Ana min
Pakistan.
Pakistaniya.
Ba. There is no pa in Arabic.
She mean Pakistan.
Pak.
Pakistan.
Not Pakistan. It's a country name.
Yes, Pakistan.
Yes. خلاص. Now التدريب الرابع. The fourth تدريب. التدريب الرابع. The fourth تدريب. اسمي خالد. Only Khalid is written. Ismi, my name is Khalid. So Khalil, make it.
Ismi Khalil.
Ismi Khalil.
Khadija,
Ismi Khadija.
Muhammad,
Ismi
Ismi
Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Fatima.
Ismi Fatima.
Fatima.
خلاص. بارك الله. Turkey. أنا Turkey. أنا من Turkey. I am Turkish. I am from Turkey. Okay. Syria and Syria. I am
Ana
Syria.
Suriya.
Ana Surya.
Ana min
Okay.
Suriya.
Ana min
Ana Suriya. Ana min Suriya.
Ana min Syria.
Suriya.
Okay, this one.
Suriya.
Next.
Ana
Ana
Misriya.
min
Ana
Misriya.
Misriya.
Ana min
Ana
Misri.
Misri.
Ana Pakistan.
Ani
Pakistani. Ana min
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Ana Turkiya. Ana min Turkiya.
خلاص ما شاء الله بارك الله فيكم. So this was تراكيب النحوية. This is how Nahu works. All right. Chale. Next, you have ملخص التراكيب. The summary of what you have learned.
ملخص التراكيب.
ملخص means summary. خلاصة. التراكيب. These are the تراكيب you learn. The structure of the sentence is called tarkib. How do you structure a sentence in Arabic? First, you have to use pronouns. Ana, anta, huwa. These things are pronoun. Pronoun means dhamir, dhamair. All these are anta and huwa. This is for ana, anta, huwa is for mudhakkar, for male. Ana talib, anta talib, anta mudarris. You can use like that. Ana, anti here. Ana is common for mudhakkar and muannas. But for you, anti, and for she here. Min aina. This is also common. Anta, anti, huwa, here. You can use this for mudhakkar and muannas. Ana, anta. Min. Min means from. Hal is another istifham to ask the question, which means are you? Kya aap? Hal anta for mudhakkar and her anti for muannas. Naam, yes, I am. Common. Yes, I am so and so. هذا for مذكر. هذا أخي. هذا صديقي. هذه أختي. هذه صديقتي. اسمي is common for مذكر and مؤنث. اسمي so and so. اسمي so and so. خلاص. This is the end of التراكيب النحوية. Next we have listening exercise. Inshallah, we'll look in coming class. But I just need to confirm our timings. Inshallah, this is only for today. From next classes, we will announce in the group. Inshallah, our class is from 2 o'clock till Maghrib time, according to Saudi time. But we need to check what's the Salah time there.
सर इंडिया टाइम 5 to 8:30 है सर. थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम हो जा रहा है सर ये क्लास का.
Yes. Basically, this class is intensive class. Intensive class means it's a क्या बोलेंगे, एक साथ 3-4 घंटे की क्लास है. और
नहीं है सर,
this class
लेकिन
is only once in a week. only Friday. The entire week you are free. You can just do the homework. Right?
सर वो मगरिब का टाइम हो जा रहा है सर, इसमें मगरिब थोड़ा
No, Maghrib, we had a gap for Maghrib. We had a gap for Maghrib. I pray Maghrib, then I join.
ओके।
Everyone has time, Alhamdulillah. So don't worry about it.
बीच में जाके आया तक मिस हो जा रहा है सर, 5 to 8:30 बोले तो मगरिब का टाइम हो जा रहा है हमारा 7 o'clock, तो ये 8:30 तक है क्लास अपना।
Yes. Inshallah, let's complete it. So we have
थोड़ा मिस
some
हो रहा है
time.
सर इसका इंग्लिश में, अरबी टू इंग्लिश अगर पीडीएफ है तो सर अपना ग्रुप में डाले तो थोड़ा।
No, वो नहीं है. It's the book is only available in Arabic. We will teach you. That's why you have to attend the class.
वो
If
मिस
you
हो
miss
गया
the,
तो सर अपन पढ़ ले सकते हो नमाज के दौरान, बीच में जाके नमाज जब पढ़ के आए तो कुछ भी
you can
क्लास में।
you can watch the videos. जो आप वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, ये सारा क्लास इंशाल्लाह रिकॉर्ड होगा,
अच्छा सर।
YouTube पर आएगा.
जी
If you miss any point, you can catch up it later. बाद में आप उसको YouTube में देख के इंशाल्लाह कवर कर सकते हैं. Is that
ठीक है,
okay?
सही है, ठीक है सर, जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।
Okay, there is a question, where can we get this book in Saudi Arabia? You can get it in Jarir, inshallah. You can check in Jarir or you can check in any nearby maktaba, inshallah. You will get it. Okay. Next we have Fahmul Masmu', listening exercise. What is listening exercise? In the beginning, I show you there is a website of this book. You have to go to the website. I'll show you that again. Yeah, this is a website. Website name is Arabic for All. If you go to the Google and just type Arabic for all .net, NET, خلاص, just enter like that. Arabic for all .net. This page will be appear, right? Arabic for all. Once you join this, open this website. Yeah, this is how the website opens. You have to go to Mawad Sautiya. I will send the link in the group, direct link, so you don't have to search. Al-Mustawa al-Awwal. Alhamdulillah. So I will just copy. Please off your mic. Please off your mic. Okay, where is our group? Okay. Listening. Okay. This is a listening website. So this is a homework for all of you. 1 week, you don't have any work, right? The entire week, you don't have any work. So what do? You have to listen all the listening exercise. Is that okay? You have to go to the website and select the lesson number. This is Wahda number 1, lesson number 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the lesson number here in our book? Let's check it.
सर हमने ओपन किया साइट तो इट इज ओपनिंग इन इंग्लिश.
Yeah, website you can access in English also.
Okay.
Because there is an option. You can select the language.
Yes. Arabiyyah, then it is completely in Arabic and then English. So what you recommend, we should select with English or we should stick to Arabic?
What I recommend is just listen. Select any language. You have to listen.
Okay.
This website is for listening, not for reading. Okay.
बैच की कि कोचिंग के लिए?
Okay, fine. So I am skipping all the listening exercise now. Okay. All the listening exercise I'm skipping now. This is a homework. Okay, please speak later. बाद में
Yemeğimiz Kuncay Grup Fedikasyon Türk Time Babat Para. मैं
Mute
जीत
all.
हूँ
Okay. Okay. Listening exercise, we are skipping. Al-Kalam, speaking. Alhamdulillah, we did a lot of speaking today in different ways. So speaking exercises also I'm skipping. These are the speaking. We did Alhamdulillah everything. Next we have Al-Qira'a, reading. Reading is important part of our book. Reading does not mean only reading. Reading means when you read anything, you have to understand what you read. That is called the real reading. सही है ना? कुरान पढ़ते हैं हम लेकिन we don't understand it. So it's a tilawa. But when you read any book, you should understand. That is called reading. So let's look at the reading part. التحية والتعارف. This is the same vocabulary just now we finished. Okay. أمام علامة okay, fine. علامة صحيح أمام الكلمة المطابقة في كل مجموعة كما في المثال. Look at the مثال. There are few words. هو. Okay. And you have to find where is huwa in 4 option. هذا, hiya, huwa, هذه. So already huwa is here. That is why it is marked like this. What is this word? Muhandisatun. So in all the 4 options, where is muhandisa here? Mudarrisatun, muhandisatun, muhandis, mudar. Second one. So this is a reading practice, right? This is for the person who is reading Arabic for the first time. It will be little difficult for him in the beginning level to spot. And tabibatun. Where is tabibatun? Talibun, tabibun,
Last fourth one.
Yeah, 4th one. So like this, some activities are there in reading. You have to just do it by yourself as a homework. You have to get the photocopy of the book. It's important. Next exercise is about al-kalimatul mukhtalifa. Odd word you have to find out. Anti, anti, anta. Which is the odd one?
The last one.
Anta is odd. The first 2 is similar. Anti, anti. Here, huwa, huwa, here. Which one? Al-kalimatul
Last one.
So this is al-kalimatul mukhtalifa. Different word. Hada, hadihi, hadihi.
First one.
So you understand? So these kind of some exercise are there. You have to do. You can do it by yourself, inshallah. Match the similar words. Al-kalimatain, al-mutamathilatain. Similar words you have to match. Like for example, anta. You can say the letter.
Wow.
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 Okay. Anta is wow. Like this. Tabibatun.
Yeah. I mean,
Ha.
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 Ha. So you understand it? You do it as a homework by yourself. So the main thing we will teach you, but you have to be busy doing homework throughout the week. Next, we have Al-Kitaba, writing part. This is the last part of this lesson. Then we'll end the class. As you all know, Arabic starts from the right side. So this is a practice of writing from the right side. Only you have to mark it. Naktub min al-yamin. Right side is called yamin in Arabic. Al-yamin, right? Ashabul yamin ma ashabul yamin. In the Quran. The people. Okay. And here you have dots. Just you have to connect the dots. ये नुक्तों को मिलाना है. So it's I don't have. I'm just doing it from the cursor. That's why it's going wrong. ये मिलाना है. इससे ये सिर्फ practice के लिए है. This is for practice writing from the right side because we write in different language from the left side. So you need a practice to write from the right side. Again, This only you have to connect the dots. Connect the dots. This is a writing practice. Here you have some words now, mashallah. Alif. Just write alif, 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 alif. Hamza, hamza. Dal, 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 dal. Dal, dal, dal. Just write it. Ana, ana, ana. Sa'ala, sa'ala, sa'ala. Dar, dar, dar. Everything you have to write it. All exercise are like that. Here also you have to, what you have to do in this box? You have to write the first letter of all the words. Hamza. Right? Wow. Every word has a wow first. Ba. No, no. Here, tantahi. End word. Ra. Everywhere there is a ra at the end. There is a dal at the then.
Dal.
Yeah. So this is a writing practice. Alhamdulillah. This is how we have completed Al-Wahdatul Ula, first unit. And coming Friday, we will study Al-Wahdatul Thaniya, second unit. And I want everyone to get the photocopy of this book, inshallah. If you have a study material, you can study well. All right. We'll end here, inshallah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. If you have any question, you can ask on WhatsApp later. Barakallahu feekum. See you